Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to check transmission fluid on a 2007 Lexus ES350. Park on level ground, warm the engine to normal temp, set the parking brake, and leave the engine idling for the check. Open the hood, locate the transmission dipstick near the back of the engine, wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert fully, then pull it and read the fluid level and color. If low or dark, plan service. Warm engine, then shift through gears and return to park with engine idling so fluid circulates for an accurate reading. Compare the dipstick marks for cold and hot ranges, and note that proper level sits between the hot marks when warmed. Healthy transmission fluid should be translucent red and smell neutral. A dark brown or burnt odor indicates wear or overheating. Top up with manufacturer-approved fluid only, using a funnel to avoid spill. Gather tools, clean rag, long funnel, correct transmission fluid, and gloves before you begin. Add fluid slowly in small increments and wait a minute between additions so level settles. Recheck the dipstick each time. Do not overfill because excess fluid can cause foaming and shifting problems. If you overfill, drain to the correct level. After topping, test drive briefly, recheck level with engine warm, and listen for normal engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.